PayPal is Lookout Racing 214-514-9545. Okay. Look out, y'all. Get over here to my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. Look out, look out. Left lane with the easy win. All right, y'all. My boy with the boot corner say he about to get ready to roll. He feeling his shit. I'm gonna hit it one more couple times. Shout out to Cookie the Prince, y'all. Shout out to goddamn me, Tom Gunner.
Here, look. That's a couple eyes with a hole.
Okay, bet. Let's post something. Damn, man.
Go ahead, put it right there.
Oh, shit. He trying to fill me up, y'all. Yeah, y'all.
He had the pose like a little.
That's enough for me, yeah. God damn. Want me to get too much. Hey, what that Sprite at? I can mix that shit in there. Ooh, that Sprite cold. Hey, pouring apple corner with Sprite. Still gonna be messed up tonight. Scribate. Amica.
Want a straw?
Yeah, you got that too? Shit, all the way equipped. Yeah, y'all. I got some more.
Bring us another one next time.
Already. Ooh wee. I taste it. Oh.
Alright, you got.
Already, man.
Sure.
Dale me gusta. Okay. Okay, hey, we got Circle of Life in the house. Hey, girl. Circle of Life in the house.
Is it all the way down the track?
Oh, somebody was leaking?
Yeah.
Damn, I ain't even know. I hope not. Okay. On what race?
Cantu and Swamp Thing.
Cantu and Swamp Thing? Cantu boy be rolling.
Swamp Thing just broke a record last night.
Oh, he did? Damn, I need to think then. Swamp Thing or Cantu, y'all? YouTube channel say his socks cost $100. Did I find any donators? Let me find out. Thank you for helping on TikTok, Trina. Trina, that's her name? That's what you betting? 140 on this right here? Boy, say, if he got this thing running like it was last night, boy, say, I was scared. Boy, this thing
You scared of flies.
Boy, this thing here, boy,
We want
say.
everything.
I was thinking this thing could whoop everything.
They don't want to bet.
All right. I seen it last night. In my heart it said, boy, he'll whoop everybody. But they started pointing at other, Brent Self here and all these other names. I was damn.
All Brent got to do is have some of these.
Okay. Well, I'm betting right here too, because I felt that in my heart last night. Damn. They talking about Swamp Thing.
Huh?
They talking about Swamp Thing.
Swamp back there, his ass.
Tell him I got cash out too.
Hey, they got Cash App over here, y'all.
Sell too.
He look like he a bet, y'all. Look at him. You be betting?
I bet. What you bet?
I don't want to bet. I just know you look like you a bet.
I will.
Bet.
I bet that bad boy right there finna go down, make a lick.
Yeah.
One thing you want to bet, son?
Look, he
I
getting.
want to bet. I hope I don't get in some of that shit they just let that idiot
I hope
put
they
down on
clean
the
it up
track
before
for
you
the
get
third
in
time.
there.
Yeah.
You want to do 200 or something? You want to do 200?
He trying to bet you 200.
I'll put 100 on it.
Okay.
I ain't got it with you.
I know.
I'm good for it though.
Boom. They on for the huncho. This finna be a serious race then, man. Who the bet with? Who the Summit CEO? Oh yeah, him. I know. The one and only BD. Cantu finna lose. Damn. Boy, this thing cleaner than I thought.
Yeah, so they do, my friend.
I ain't know it was that clean. I thought it was rusty.
You thought it was rusty.
Hell yeah, but it's actually
TV look rusty though. That motherfucker clean.
that bitch painted.
That bitch painted. Yeah, bitch painted.
I was thinking old regular.
No. On TV it look rusty though.
Yeah, nah, I thought I've been seeing rust since it been here. Ah, okay. Damn. Okay, let me get a walk around. I ain't know this thing was smooth. Clear coat over rust. I ain't getting no more taco. Let me see. Hey everybody, who came from YouTube, from TikTok? Let me see. Yeah. We've been live 2 hours, well really 3 hours already. This is my second live. So we already been live 4 hours, y'all. We've been live 4 hours for the free.